Hey everyone, today we're gonna see how to install UPVC Windows. Firstly, ensure proper weight distribution and allow the window to expand or contract with temperature changes. Use support blocks in the corners, mullions, and struts to prevent stress on the frame. If the floor is unfinished or the threshold isn't level, use widening profiles to maintain structural integrity. The window must be firmly anchored to handle wind pressure, temperature variations, and operational forces. Use appropriate fasteners as screws, anchors, or brackets placed evenly along the window perimeter. Fasteners must transfer all forces to the building structure without deforming the window frame. 3 independent sealing layers are recommended to prevent air and moisture leaks. Outer layer, middle layer, and inner layer. A properly installed window lasts longer, improves insulation, and prevents leaks. Even weight distribution, secure anchoring, and correct sealing are the most important factors. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.